So for number 4 on the ASVAB here with this little practice test, we're going to go ahead and do some plug and chug here. It says if x is -3, calculate the value of the following expression. Now I wrote it again down here so that we can be a little bit more centered on here, but essentially what they're asking you to do is just take this -3 and plug it in every time you see an x to solve this equation. So the first thing I want to do is just plug in this number, and if I have an exponent, I'm going to go ahead and expand that out. So -3 to the third power. Well, that means I'm going to do -3 times -3, which would give me a positive 9, but I still need to multiply that by another -3, and we don't have a calculator here, so we got to do it all in our heads. So we're going to multiply by another -3, give me -27. All right, so I have a -27. Now that still has to be multiplied by this 3 out front, but it's still going to stay negative because that one doesn't have a negative. So now we're going to have negative 3 times 7 is 21, carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus that 2 would give us 8. So this is going to be a -81. Now we're going to add here. Now we're working on this guy right here. So 3 times the -3 we're plugging in would give us a -9 plus 4. Well, -9 plus 4 is going to end up giving me a -5. And then last but not least over here, we have -2 times x squared. So this is -3 again. -3 times -3, this is a positive 9. 9 times the -2 is going to end up giving us -18. So we're looking at a fairly large negative number here. So right off the bat, looking at negative, and this one being 81, I know we're going to be deep in the negative. So even without adding these all up, I can tell you our answer is going to end up being A, -104.